So today I'm going to be teaching modeling integer subtraction with counters first this time. So what you need to remember about this one is the zero pair. So we talked about this a little bit yesterday and about how one positive counter and one negative counter basically cancel each other out, and it's 1 plus negative 1 and equals 0. That's a zero pair. That's going to be essential when you're using counters to model subtraction of integers. Now, this first one is our easiest one. We have negative 4 minus negative 3. Obviously, the first integer we have to model is negative 4. So we wrote down 4 negative counters, okay? But we need to take away negative 3. This is simple. All you're going to be doing is just crossing them out. So, 4 minus negative 3 is just negative 1. Now that one was a pretty clear and easy way of showing integer operations with counters. The next two are going to be a little bit different. So with number 2, we have 6 minus a negative 3. So it's a positive 6, so we wrote down 6 positive counters. Okay? Now we need to take away negative 3 counters. Well, there are no negative 3 counters to take away, and if we take away 3 positive, that's not what it told us to do. So what we have to do is we need to add 0 pairs to get negative 3. Remember, if you're adding a 0 pair, you're not really changing the value of the 6 because you're adding plus 0 or minus 0. It's not changing 6. So here I added 3 0 pairs so that I have 3 negative counters that I can take away now. So now I can subtract those 3 negative counters. And what do I have left? I have 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have 9 as my answer from 6 minus negative 3. Now the next one, 3, is pretty much like number 2. I have negative 2 minus negative 5. But in this case, I'm starting with a negative 2. So I'm starting with a negative integer. So I'm going to write down 2 red counters. 1, 2 to represent the negative 2. Now, I need to subtract negative 5. I don't have negative 5 counters. So again, I need to depend on the 0 pairs. So in this case, how many 0 pairs do I need to add to make it so I can take away negative 5? 3. So here I added 3 0 pairs. 1, 2, 3. Now I have negative 5 to take away. And if I take those away, I'm left with a positive 3. So in some instances, you can just take away. But in some instances, you need to add a 0 pairs to your numbers so that you have enough negatives to take away. It's pretty simple once you get some practice.